Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Brave Browser VPN. Well, today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Brave Browser VPN. So the Brave Browser VPN, one of its cool features in Brave because it's already added to Brave, but you need to buy it. As you can see on my top right, you see VPN. Click on it. After clicking on the VPN, you will now be able to start your VPN, but it will be paid. You can see right now. Here is the VPN in Brave, so you'll be able to be protected on block trackers and now protect up to 10 devices, unlimited speed, desktop, Android, and iOS. Cancel anytime, 7 days free trial. As you can see right here is monthly value, and you can also do the yearly value. So all you need to do is put in your email address. After putting on your email address, you will be able to go to a site that will tell you that you need to pay this amount of price for the VPN. So there you go, guys. But for me, I suggest not using the firewall VPN. Quick tip for you guys. I don't suggest buying this, but if you guys want to, it's your choice. And just be mindful on clicking on sites if you don't want to buy this. Okay. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And then thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.